Yeah, g'day guys, welcome to my quick review of Polaris. I'm looking to give you a bit of an overview, also give you the exclusive bonuses that I've got going right now when you pick up Polaris, and I'm really looking forward to you guys jumping on and getting results like these using what the Polaris software has in store for you guys. So I'm just going to go through a little bit of just a little bit of proof. These are my affiliate earnings by using a system much like Polaris. So basically what it is, it's a funnel, all-in-one funnel system, and you're allowed to build funnels, get traffic, which is inbuilt in Polaris, send traffic and generate commissions like these. So it's a very simple method. It's very simplified inside Polaris, and we're just going to jump over right now to the Polaris dashboard. So we're in the Polaris dashboard right now. As you can see, it's an automated software where you can have total funnels. You can inbuilt traffic here through the Traffic and Sales Academy. They've got all these categories laid out for you, and like even in here, you're able to integrate Polaris within GetResponse, Aweber. It all has those integrations with key major autoresponders if you used to use the outside ones. But also you can also use the inbuilt autoresponder that's within the Polaris system. So obviously you can collect all your leads with the orders with your subscribers and go through, and it's got all inbuilt training as well. So when you jump over to the training videos, you'll see training on how to build the funnels, training on how to get traffic to there and start generating commissions similarly like these. So very simple, profitable, and very easy to use, especially when you're starting out. Now I'm just going to jump over to my bonuses that I'm giving away right now with Polaris. When you actually click on here, you'll kind of come to this video. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe to the button and click the link in the description bar to come to this page. Now obviously it's a software where you'll be able to never seen before cash injected. I've never seen anything like this before, where you'd be able to have an all-in-one stop shop. So it really makes it easy on anyone that's new or looking to cut costs as well, especially when using funnels. So it's a good alternative, and you're able to just set it and forget it using the automated training and traffic provided inside. So the exclusive bonuses that I'm actually giving away right now is we have Method X launching on October 30th, and we're giving beta access to this. Now, Method X is a way where you can increase conversions using a targeted traffic method, and the way that we've set out and how to build targeted funnels where you'll be able to actually benefit this with Polaris and drive traffic to and increase your profits in that way. So this is a great way of being able to increase your conversions and not have to spend so much on traffic. You'll be able to convert through the traffic provided, and this is going to be a great way to do that. Infusion plus all upgrades. Now you're going to get everything here. You're going to get the money pages done for your package cash automators. Infusion unlimited traffic, which is going to be a massive help for you guys. Phoenix plus all upgrades. Again, guys, I'm not holding back on these ones. And you're going to get some vendor bonuses as well. You got Bang Bang Profits here. That was released by Jono with Brendan. You got Raken. You've got from 0 to 124 hours. You've got those bonuses as well. Plus, I'm also giving away about 20 other bonuses unannounced inside the bonus area if you pick up in Polaris through here. So I used Polaris actually for a couple of days and just to see whether or not it worked. Now I'm going to jump over to my ClickBank account. Now my ClickBank account isn't as pretty as this. I'm just giving you a heads up, but I was able to generate $345 using the method inside. So obviously it's like it takes a little bit to starting out, but you know, I was able to start this on Thursday and I was able to get $88 straight away. So you're pretty much already covering partially your investment with Polaris, which is only $17. So you're going to be able to cover that, and you'll be able to start generating commissions as well, and it's a great way to start out. So it really is a good way to do it, and once you'll be able to do that, you'll be able to really scale quickly, because not a lot of people are able to generate results as quickly as this. So you'll be able to start you'll be able to start seeing some figures like these where you'll be able to get like $300. This is today. You'll be able to, like, it's not even 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I've already done $300. So, and I've even had like 2,000 days, 1,300 days, 1,200 days, 1,100 days. So guys, it doesn't really matter as long as you give yourself a start. This is the best alternative to do that. Now, to access your bonuses, please go here, click this button here, and this will take you over to the sales page over here. Now, all you have to do is literally just go below this video, click get instant access now. If you want to go through the page, you can, but to be honest, if you want to secure Polaris, I've already given you the oversight of how it works, what's involved. Click get instant access now, and you'll be able to secure all the bonuses and everything for just 17 bucks, guys. So very simple, and you'll be able to jump in and go from there. Alright guys, I look forward to you guys jumping on with Polaris, securing the massive bonus package that I've got in store for you guys, and I look forward to you guys really going hard and start generating some really solid paydays like these. See you guys. Alright, thank you very much, and I look forward to you guys jumping on. Cheers.